Welcome to America.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Welcome.
Anong first impression niyo dito sa Amerika, ma?
Una, syempre, sa Amerika, pag Amerika ka ano nga ba? Maraming Amerikano. Wala siya.
Okay lang yan.
Oo, maraming Amerikano.
Pero nag-enjoy kayo?
Nag-enjoy naman, syempre. First time.
Jet lag pa, jet lag.
Oo, hindi ko akalain na makakarating ako ng Amerika. Wish come true, although hindi ko na ma-finish to. Ayan.
More to come.
Yes.
Umpisa pa lang do. Hello guys, ngayong araw ang dating ng mother ng wife ko. At katatapos lamang ng duty ko sa 12-hour shift, sunduin na yung mama ni Jonah. Wala nang tulugan to. Since hindi pa marunong mag-drive si Jonah, ako na lang muna. I'm pretty sure na it's traffic ngayon. Most probably yung 45 minutes drive, magiging 2 oras yan one way. Pauwi muna ako. Susunduin ko yung mag-iina ko. Then didiretso na kami ng Lax Airport. So abangan nyo yun pagdating ni mama, okay? Next, excited ka na makita si mama?
Of course.
Yes. Zoe! Zoe! Are you excited to see na? To meet Lola Weng? Ha? We're gonna meet Lola Weng?
No, I don't like.
Welcome to America, mama.
Gusto mo daw fish fillet with extra sauce. Sabi ni Paul.
Ate Raina, thank you for the t-shirt. Like your shirt? Hold hand, hold hand. Here, try this candy there.
Like this?
Yeah, this candy there. Sure. What's in there?
You have caramel corn with white chocolate.
Okay, Zoe, go take one. What will you say? Say? What will you say? Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Wait niya.
So yun, nagtungo kami dito sa mall kasi meron akong gusto i-pick up na small present para kay mama. Okay, tapos na.
Ma.
Bibili ko ng online, i-pick up.
Thank you. Take it, please.
Open it. Ano yan? Open it daw. Hindi ko alam yan eh. Nag-gift daw siya sa'yo. What's that? Gold. What's that? What? Bag. What's that? Makeup pouch? Oh, wow. I know that. Wala, gift niya lang sa'yo. Wala. Ba't ako wala? Ba't ako wala? Si mama lang.
Para sa'yo dapat yung lang.
Oh, I see. That's so pretty.
Okay, so nagutom tong mga kasama ko. Pupunta daw kami ng In-N-Out. In-N-Out is like McDonald's. Pero mas masarap yung mga burger nila, mas healthy.
Mas healthy.
Sabi nila.
Junk food.
Pero dito mo lang so far sa pagkakaalam ko, dito mo lang mahanap sa California tong In-N-Out. Hi. We wanted to order 3 cheeseburger.
Okay.
And then 3 French fries.
Yeah.
And what else do you want? So yun nga yung sinasabi ko. Ayan yung mga ma-order na pagkain, oh. Double cheeseburger, hamburger. Actually maliit lang yung kukunti lang yung menu nila. Pero dinarayo talaga siya ng...
It's delectable.
Pag may mga tourist na pumupunta dito, hindi pwedeng hindi ka kumain ng
In and out.
In-N-Out.
But there's
kasi
one branch in Houston.
Nagbukas na ba?
Yeah, they have it now.
So, yun. Patry natin kay mama, di ba? Sabi nila walang sinabi ang McDo, which is true.
This is our favorite burger so far.
Nakalimutan kong sabihin, ang may-ari daw ng In-N-Out, Christian. Confirm natin. Hi. Yeah.
ketchup today?
Oh, yes please.
Can we have spread?
And tatanong natin sa kanila kung alam nila yun.
Ready? French fries.
And can we have spread?
Spread? How
Two.
many? There you go.
And can I ask a question?
I'm sorry?
Is it true that the owner of In-N-Out are Christians?
I'm sorry?
The owners of In-N-Out, they're Christians?
Christian?
Yeah?
Honestly, I don't know.
You're not sure?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
Blind.
Doink.
Kumusta yung food, mama?
Wala yung fries. Yung fries niya, hindi ang pao na ano, sa Pilipinas. Walang laman pag binay ko sa gitna. Ito meron.
Hangin.
May chicken ka pa doon, i-flakes mo
Konti
siya
na
sa-
lang.
Zoe!
Bili tayo roasted chicken at saka... Kanina pa nag-aayang umuwi yan eh.
Dali, video po ito, ma. Yay! Tsaka na tayo magbangka kasi hindi ako marunong lumangoy. Baka malulan tayo. Hindi ko kayo maililigtas. Marunong ba kayo lumangoy, ma?